here at the town of Port Perry. The municipal office actually has the EV charger here from Chargepoint, and the Chargepoint is actually funded partially by the federal government by the Natural Resources of Canada. So the first 3 hours is free, and then after that it's $4.52 per hour after that. Now mind you, it's 6.2 kilowatt shared between 2 vehicles. So currently there are 2 vehicles that are being charged. Let's see what kind of capacity is being pulled in by the charge point. So it's currently pulling in very slowly. 16 amp, 3 kilowatts. It's going to take about 10 hours to recharge my battery, which is currently at 54%. It's extremely slow. So basically every 1 hour I get an extra 5% back essentially. So very slow charging. Just wanted to let you know and share that information with you. In case you're in the Port Perry area, there is no supercharger near Port Perry. The closest would be in Madoc, close to Peterborough. Okay, so just walking around town of Port Perry. This is the Palmer Park in front of us, right at the lake. And we are close to where the first Ontario Boat Thru is located. You can actually get a coffee from Tim Hortons right at the water with your boat. I'm gonna check that out. And here's a marketplace today on a long weekend. Lots of things, knickknacks and food to buy here. From farmers market to different local artisans and all kinds of things from local vendors. It's great. Okay, so we're at the edge of the water now. The public kayak launcher area in the township of Scugog. This is the marina, Port Perry Marina. Okay, so it's been over an hour charging and it's slow. I picked up not too many kilometers and it's a little bit deceiving. There is a cost. It's not free for the first 3 hours, so I am getting charged $1.70 per hour. Okay, we're in Caesarea and here is the marina. This is where the Tim Hortons Boat Thru is located, right there. Right there. Yeah, so you can actually get your drink off the water.